What is going on, you guys? Your boy Miguel here with Boost and Redline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Bushwacker tailgate cover as well. And so if you're ready for that, stay tuned. Let's get started. All right, a couple of things we need before we get started with this project is I'm gonna get some clean water in the bucket with a car washing towel, because I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the surface here pretty good first with some of that. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some alcohol and a towel. Also gonna go ahead and clean anything that might have been left behind from you know, the first time around. So these are the first couple of things I'm gonna be using. Let's go ahead and put them to work. Alright, so first problem that I found is the fact that there was a lot of the adhesive left from the previous cap that I had on, and this took a lot of patience, but it was totally worth it. It was really stuck in there, and I really tried to do my best to have all the patience in the world to work through this madness. But it was basically all the adhesive from before, so I had to use a plastic spatula here, so you can see, to not damage the paint and obviously be able to work my way from one end of the tailgate to the other end and really get creative. I didn't have any label remover, so I tried using some rubbing alcohol on this as well to see if that would soften up the adhesive, and it did. So try that, and with a little bit of patience and a little bit of time, I was able to remove the entire adhesive completely off the tailgate. And then now it's time to go ahead and start cleaning up. So I want to go ahead and make sure to not leave any residue, any dirt, any left adhesive or gunk behind. I want to clean it with water as much as possible, run my fingers through to feel which areas are coming loose, get some of that glue that's left there, and you know, make sure it looks as clean as possible, and make sure that I get rid of anything that shouldn't be there. Also on the other side of the gate here, to ensure that this surface is as clean as possible. I'm using my car washing towel here and go ahead and clean it up, make it shine. Guys, this part is crucial because this is what's really going to ensure that the adhesive from the new tailgate cap really sticks on. Okay, so you want to make sure you take your time on this and you clean it up really well. Alright, so now I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol just like before, and this is just to be extra sure and make it super clean, to, again, just our main goal is for that new adhesive to really glue on to the surface. So we don't want to take any risks, so I'm using some rubbing alcohol to make sure that this job comes on, and I mean that this tailgate cap really sticks on for a really long time. So this is very recommended. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some test fitting here to make sure that I get an idea of how much distance I'll have on each side. This is where you guys really want to compare and just line it up and just get a good feel for how much space you have on both ends, okay? You may even want to try this out with the tailgate cap upside down. This is what I did as well. And again, it gives you an idea of the distance between the two ends. And so next thing I want to do is I want to peel off some of the adhesive. I want to peel off some of the adhesive, about an inch or two. I want to peel about an inch or two of the adhesive and fold it to the outside. This is the key, guys. You want to fold it to the outside. This is the way that you'll be able to grab it at the end. I'm gonna do some more test fitting here and make sure that I line it up as much as possible. I want to go ahead and remove the entire adhesive line on the inner side of the cap as well. This is the part that's gonna get glued on first, okay? So this is where the steering game really starts, because I'm going to look at this side and then look at this other side and then look at the one side and look at the other side, just to make sure that the distance on both ends is as closely equal as possible. Alright, and once I found the right perfect position, I'm going to go ahead and apply pressure and really make sure that it is glued in place. I'm just going to apply some light pressure here with my hands. And I decided to get a little bit creative as well and applied, you know, maybe a little bit of body pressure as well, because why not? I really want this thing to stick on there for a long time. All right, so if you're doing this job, you guys, make sure you're doing it somewhere where you're not gonna get interrupted by your neighbors, and that way you can finish in a timely manner. If not, just make sure you have a lot of patience and you'll be all right. Hey you guys, welcome to Florida, okay, where it was super hot, desert-like, sunny like 5 seconds ago, and it just rained like crazy. A whole monsoon came by, and now the truck is super soaked, and I really want to show you guys the finished product here. So with the rain, who cares? Here is the finished product for you. Let me show you. Check it out. This is the tailgate cap already installed. It came out pretty good. So I mean, for not being a professional, for just doing it myself, came out really good here. This side here shows a little bit more than this side, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good. And also this inside portion here lines up pretty good, so that all came out really flush as well. Also, there will be a video on how to go ahead and work this mechanism here. Go ahead and put a lock on the tailgate here. I'll show you that on that video as well, so go ahead and click the card right here if you want to see how to do that. And then let me show you the other side, you guys, so check it out. So very nice. I really like the diamond design on here, so very nice diamond design. And just show you here from a distance the fact that you know, the truck bed doesn't look that naked anymore. It's got some protection there. I can do some truck stuff. I can, you know, like my good old Paul from Fast Lane Daily would say, I can go ahead and throw some hammers back there. Right,
either way, on all these versions, everyone gets the option to
throw some hammers back there.
Throw some hammers back there.
Come standard.
Here comes standard. I'm gonna throw some hammers back there.
So, you know, you got that going for you.
You can throw some hammers back there. Throw some hammers back there. I'll put some tires back there. We'll put some axles back there. We'll put a shovel back there. We'll put some wrenches back there. Put some wrenches back there. Throw it back there. No big deal. Throw some wood back there. Throw some wood back there.
so with that in mind, you guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you like the nice flush look here. Here's the price to pay when you ain't got mud guards going on, but hey, I gotta tell you, I love the look. The truck looks higher, even though it's still the same height with taking out the mud guard, so it definitely gives it a nice look there. But you know, it might require some extra cleaning here and there, also in the front as well, so it gives the truck a meaner look from the side, also from the back. Okay, looks so much taller, even though it's the same height.
Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot coming up for this truck build. There's lift in the work, there's new tire and wheel setup in the work, so you would not want to miss that. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as well, and stay tuned because there is a lot coming your way. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.